Welcome back to All Occasion Gifts. If you're new here, welcome to All Occasion Gifts. I'm a gift basket designer. I create gift baskets for Mother's Day, Father's Day, Christmas, Easter, Valentine's Day, and just for any special occasion. Right now, I'm working on something a little different. I've been working on these Dollar Tree dress forms, and I've made several different designs. I'm trying to make at least 50 dresses. Some of them I'm selling now, and some I'm making for the upcoming season. Okay, so right now this is a white Dollar Tree mannequin dress. It's got the beading, and I also added a bow to the back. I added the beading around the top. I added the embellishment, and I added the charm to the front. Let's just give it one more little quick twirl here. And then I created another one exactly the same, but this one is pink. Okay, so here's the pink one. And the pink one is basically the same. They're just different colors. I added the embellishment around the front. I added the beading. And I added the bow on the back. And I also added the trim and the beading across the top. And then I added the heart embellishment. So right now, I've been making these dresses over the summer. So far, I've made about 20 dresses. I'm in process of trying to make 50. As I make these dresses, people seem to see them and they want to buy them right then. So my numbers keep going up and down, up and down, up and down. So I'm going to continue to make them. So I would like to have a few when I get around to Christmas, Easter, and maybe Valentine's Day. I still have a few left. And then especially for Mother's Day, I probably have to make a whole nother set. I'm quite sure I'm going to be making well over 50 dresses. So right now I think I showed you the black one. I did a short with the black dress. And like I say, everybody seems to love the black dress. And let me just bring it up here and show you again right fast. This is the black dress. And this is the one that everybody loves, is the black. Something about black, okay? There's the front, and there's the back. And same with this, I'm going to stuff it with some Bath and Body Works or some Victoria's Secret, some type of product, maybe not one of those products, and make this look really nice. And this will be available. And I'm probably going to make about 10 of these black ones because, like I said, everybody loves this black dress. Okay, so right now I'm working on some yellow dresses, and I'm going to show you that to you another day in a short probably. Trying to go back to making videos. I'm trying to do these as I go, but I made a butterfly dress, and I made one in purple, and I made one in blue. So they're like matching twins, but they're opposite colors. I've also done a Hello Kitty dress, the pink, the black. I'll put out a couple more shorts with some of the dresses in them. But right now, I just wanted to show you these two and let you know that I am steady working on these dresses. They are amazing. I really love creating these dresses, and I can't wait to show you guys these dresses when I have them stuffed. This one, I'm just going to pop this flower inside of it and give you a quick, brief idea of what it looks like with flowers inside of it. And I mean, you can add flowers, you can add candy, you can add basically anything you like to these dresses. I mean, they come out really nice, and just depending on what you put in them, you know, what color scheme you come up with, and they make really great gifts. So stay tuned for, as I go, I'm going to make some leopard dresses, okay? Those should be really, really nice. And I think everybody loves leopards. So we'll see how those come out. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.